Hello friends, myself Ajay Eknath Chowdhury and I have done my BE in Mechanical Engineering. Today's date is 15th December 2021 and today's topic is types and scopes in variables in Java. So scopes of variables in Java is the in programming a scope of variable defines how a specific variable is accessible within the program or across classes. In this section, we will discuss the scope of variables in Java. So, scopes of variables in programming are a variable can declare and define inside the class, methods, or block. It defines the scopes of variable. It defines the scopes of variables, that is visibility or accessibility of variables. Variable inside a block or a method are not visible to outside. If we try to do so, it will get an completion error. Note that the scope of variable can be nested. We can declare a variable, declaration of scope of variable. We can declare a variable anywhere in the program, but it is limited scope. A variable can be parameter of a method or constructor. A variable can be defined and declared inside the body of the methods and constructors. It can also define inside the blocks and loops. Variable declared inside main function cannot be accessed outside the main function. Types of variables are of three types, that is member variable, that is class level scope, so a local variable, that is method level scope, and third one class variable, instance variable. So first one, memory variable or a class level scope. We have to discuss about this. This is an variable that is declared inside the class, but outside any function have a class level scope. You can access these variables anywhere inside the class. Note that access specifier of the member variable does not affect the scope within the class. Java allows us to access member variables. Second one, we have to see it, that local variables, that is method level scope. This is the variable that is declared inside the method, constructor, or block, have a method level or block level scope and cannot be accessed outside which it is defined. Variable declared inside a pair of curly braces have block level scope. Third one is scope of static variable or a class variable. That is, the scope of static variables is within the class. All the methods, constructor, and blocks inside the class can access static variables by using the class name. The visibility of the static variable is similar to instance variable. However, you can declare the variable as public so that it can available by user of the class. You can learn more in detail in the static further. So static scopes in variables are been suggested to class, that it can be within a class, but not if the curly braces are out of curly braces. We cannot define any variables, any variables, and that variables which create some classes and objects of that Java of that process of array. So these are the types of variables and scopes of variables we discussed today. So thank you for watching my video.